here's a hot question. Do family disputes spoil your vacation?
Well, of course they do. You know, me being from a large family too, it's always hard to get everybody to want to agree to the exact same stuff when you're on vacation. The planning alone is hard enough. But once you get the destination booked and then you're all trying to work on accommodations, imagine putting multiple families in the same hotel rooms. You're tiny, the living room, the bedroom, and everything's all one room. A condo helps separate that out a little bit because everyone has their own bedrooms. Each family can be separated, and the kids can even be separated from the parents, giving the parents a little alone time and giving them a breather as well. But there's usually a family room or a living room to where people that are wanting to play games and video games and watch TV and things, they can do that while the others still have their own room to rest and relax. And also, just getting multiple keys for the condo, people can come and go as they want, and they're all not waiting on the others to do things. It just gives a little more freedom on vacation.